Holy Spirit revealed to me it's 48 hours of prayer and worship. So it is much bigger than what we think. So it's not the normal Mighty Men. It's a different time of the year. So I think there's going to be a different mindset of men coming here. It's the end of the year. People had a long year and they want to be refreshed, restored, re-energized. And God is just intervening, and the men that's coming here is going to actually start their holidays with the Holy Spirit, with Jesus. So I think there's going to be a total different mindset from I'm on a holiday, but I can be filled with the Holy Spirit. So it's not men that also needs to pack up for a weekend and go away from the families. Mossel Bay, it's summer holidays, everybody's coming here, so I think it's a good headspace for people to come here. It is kind of, I want to say, the Christmas period where families is joined together, and guys, the families are going to be close to them. So on the practical side, I think more people is going to be day visitors. So it's not going to be a full camp where all 90% or 100% stays on a farm. So it's just outside of Mossel Bay. So I think we're going to have a lot of people that's booked in Mossel Bay that's only going to come for the day. And then obviously we're offering a full 48 hours of prayer and worship with youth programs. We've got our official speakers the Friday night, Saturday morning, Saturday evening and Sunday morning. But in between that, we've got additional speakers, additional sessions and additional focus for reconciling the nation, restoring men to go into their calling and basically to arise. So it's not only an event that we see as this is going to be a once-off event, but it actually forms part of a momentum what God is currently doing in the country, because there's the Time to Rise events that's happening October, and this is all leading to, I think, to the elections in 2024, where we can get men to arise and claim that God is the righteous God, and we need righteous leaders and we need righteous people to rule over a country. So this is nation building. It's much bigger than what we think is only going to be this once-off event, and it's just somewhere in the calendar. We believe that revival is happening in South Africa, and this is just going to ignite revival, and we want to light the fire. If people go away from Mossel Bay, they need to go back into South Africa after the holidays, fired up to go and change what is currently happening in South Africa. The 2024 will be God convening, a godly appointment for South Africa, that the nation and South Africa can be changed in next year. This is what we're setting up. We're setting up a new tone for what's going to happen in 2024.